Well, on my old truck here, I've had a constant chirping problem on my belt, squeaking and chirping. I've tried every type of belt ease there is out there, and it works for a little bit, then it stops, and it's back to square one. I replaced all the belts, and I even took the pulleys off and painted them with high temperature paint. Didn't help. Still was making, chirping noises depending on the moisture in the air, and also depending on the tension. So I tightened them up. I mean, I've got these suckers pretty tight on here. And then I was going back and forth and looking on the internet, and it was talking about using silicone. Well, silicone's great and everything, but it doesn't last long either. So I mean, it's going from one dead horse to the other, in my opinion. I needed something that was going to stay on there, and then I found this product here. This product is the new WD-40 Specialist Water Resistant Silicone Lubricant. This stuff is awesome. It's not like the old WD-40 where it ruins all the rubber gaskets and destroys everything. It eats everything away that's made out of anything that's made out of petroleum. It'll just eat it alive. But this stuff doesn't. It's silicone, but it's a lubricant. It's water resistant. So I sprayed it on the belts, and it stopped. And basically I just touched it on the, sprayed it on the belt on the back side, the inside. I sprayed it on the pulleys, and I did this while the engine was running, and I know that's not safe, but you can do it while it's not on and just spray it, but make sure you start it up quickly after you spray it so it'll spread all over the area. Make sure you get all your belts. Like this belt is almost like a serpentine belt that's for the alternator, but it has old school belts for everything else. So you got to spray them all, and it's on there right now. You can't even see it because what it does, this WD-40 silicone spray, waterproof, it dries up, and you don't even notice it on there, but it stops all the squeaking. I mean, it's done. I'm so happy. I've been going now probably a month and a half now with no more squeaks. Every time I turn on the AC, no more chirp. It's just so much better. And it works on serpentine belts also. You can spray a little on the tension pulley here, and it'll spread it around on the belt, and then also spray the inside of the belt here, so you get the inside. And you can also spray down in there on the other pulley to lubricate it. I do it while it's running. That's kind of dangerous, so be careful. You can do it while it's not running and just touch up and spray all the areas, but it stopped this one also from making a little chirp noise. As it would run, it would go chirp, 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 chirp. And I found out I thought it was either the tensioner, which is here, and it was not that, because I loosened the belt and took it off and spun it, nothing, and then put the belt back on, chirp, chirp, chirp. Use this on there, and works like a champ. And like I said, it's water resistant silicone, so nothing will affect it. It'll stay on there and keep the belts nice and lubricated and pliable, and won't slip and chirp anymore. Wonderful. Works for me. Good luck.